Hello and welcome to Summit, Janeeva's latest entry into the world of outsourcing relationship management and ways to communicate between your service provider and the various users and constituents in your outsourcing network. We're pretty excited about this in Janeeva. It's our first foray into the world of networking within the new extended enterprise of partners, of service providers, and the buyers and users of outsourcing. What we've done is give everyone a voice, a way to share information, share ideas, post notices, post announcements, comment on notices and announcements, as well as keep everyone connected on a regular basis. This is meant for the service providers to have a voice and share with the users of outsourcing. This is meant for the client companies, the buyers of outsourcing, to make sure that their network of partners, providers, internal users all know what's going on a daily basis. It solves the general challenges associated with working across time zones and geographies and distance with your extended enterprise. What we've done is leverage the Web 2.0 type of constructs of social networking and commenting, of RSS and blogging, so that it works within the business structure of your secure environment, and it's open to all the users within that network. So what we're going to do is take a real quick walk through Summit and see some of the things that can be done. First of all this first page, what's happening at the Summit. This is a real quick view of the latest news, of the latest things that's going on, and whatever has been commented on, as well as announcements. And you can click on them, any of these, to get more detail. Let's click on the first one. What can you do with Summit? Share your ideas. You can literally put down your ideas in here. This is a good way to share best practices, share some of the work you're doing with some of your vendors, and for the vendors to share some of the things they're doing, as well as people can add a comment. Let's add a comment right here. Here you see you can add a comment and say, this was a great job. Post that comment. So now we have a comment in there. Great job, and you can see more about that if there's more to add than that. There's so many things to do. The vendors here, the service providers can let everyone know what kind of things they offer, what kind of services they offer, what are they about. If there's a new offering, if there's a new service, they can advertise in a friendly environment and let people know their contact information without sending an email blast to hundreds or thousands users that it may never get through the firewalls or may never be read. Here you know that you can post a newsletter. One of our customers is actually using this to post a newsletter and share new information of services and what's going on with them. At the same time, one of the service providers has put in new process changes that they wanted to send out to over 500 users, and they didn't even know all the email addresses, and this was a great way to do that. When you talk about the client company, what I've done is click on a spot where they can create an announcement, and here's an announcement from the client company that they created, and people who log in can add a new comment and then print it off them if it's necessary. So it's real easy to post an announcement because it tells you right here, let's post an announcement, and I just clicked on that. So when you post an announcement, as you notice, there's a rich text editor that you can put in a title. You can denote who it came from, and since I was in the global enterprise world, it says that I came from global enterprise. I can submit an announcement, and here we have new news, and I'm off we go. And I could preview it. I can attach documents. And this is a real powerful tool here. One of our customers realized that when they're sending attachments through emails, one was a pretty big PowerPoint that they wanted to send, and it was not accepted by a lot of users who had a size limitation. So this is a way to put in those big type of files, attach it, and then submit, and here you can have a new announcement set up. The service providers can easily create their pages by just clicking on this and cloning a format and very easily creating a page. So there's news, there's announcements, there's a posting information and sharing information, and then there's the ongoing updating of your network of partners and service providers. This is a fun, easy way to stay connected in the extended enterprise while building a stronger and more collaborative relationship with your network of partners and service providers and users. So thank you for joining me for this introduction to Summit. And why don't you stop by our website at www.janeeva.com, sign up to be a Summit user to explore and experiment with our test drive system that we have on our website. Have a great day.